Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by installing and opening Google Authenticator on your phone. Do that now. Once open, sign into the account you want to protect and go to Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Make sure you also have a backup contact method ready, like email or SMS, because you'll need to verify. Tap the option to set up an Authenticator app. This begins the key exchange. The goal here is to reach the screen that shows either a QR code or a manual setup code, so you can add it to the app. Once you're at the QR or code screen, open the app and pick Scan a QR code or enter a setup key. If scanning, point your camera at the on-screen QR until it registers. If typing, enter the alphanumeric key exactly and name the account so you can recognize it later. Authenticator immediately creates a 6-digit time-based code that refreshes roughly every 30 seconds. Copy that current code into the website's verification field before it expires. Then submit to confirm the link between apps. After submitting the 6-digit code, the site will confirm two-factor authentication is active. That completes the setup. Now immediately save any provided backup or recovery codes in a secure place such as a password manager or a printed locked copy, because they're your fallback if you lose the phone. If the code doesn't work, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic time sync, retry scanning or re-enter the key, or use a recovery code. Keep the Authenticator app updated and test a login once to be certain.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.